Imagine your body as a complex machine, with water as the lifeblood that keeps it running smoothly. Water makes up about 60% of our body weight and is essential for every cell, tissue and organ. It regulates body temperature, transports nutrients and flushes out waste products. Even mild dehydration can impact your physical and mental well-being. When we don't consume enough water, our body's balance is disrupted, leading to health issues. By staying hydrated, we support our body's intricate systems and maintain optimal health. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to overlook our body's subtle cues of dehydration. With so many distractions and responsibilities, we often forget to pay attention to what our body is trying to tell us. Thirst is one of the first and most noticeable signs. When you feel thirsty, your body is already in need of hydration. It's a clear signal that you need to drink water. Along with thirst, you may experience dry mouth as saliva production decreases. This can make speaking and swallowing uncomfortable, and it's a sign that your body needs more fluids. Your skin can also reveal signs of dehydration, becoming dry, rough, and flaky. Proper hydration helps maintain skin elasticity and a healthy appearance. Fatigue is another common symptom, as dehydration forces your heart to work harder. When your body lacks sufficient water, it affects your energy levels and overall performance. This extra effort can leave you feeling tired and sluggish. You might find it difficult to concentrate or stay awake, impacting your productivity and mood. So the next time you feel parched or notice dryness in your mouth or skin, reach for a glass of water. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your body functioning optimally. Listen to your body's whispers and stay hydrated. By paying attention to these subtle signs, you can maintain your health and well-being, ensuring you feel your best every day. Even mild dehydration can disrupt the balance of fluids and electrolytes, leading to a noticeable decline in energy levels and athletic performance. Water lubricates our joints, allowing for smooth movement and preventing harmful friction. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and painful contractions due to a lack of essential fluids and electrolytes. Recognizing the link between dehydration and decreased physical performance is crucial for anyone engaging in regular physical activity. Stay hydrated to keep your physical powerhouse running smoothly and efficiently. Our brains are highly sensitive to changes in hydration levels. Dehydration can impair concentration, alertness, and short-term memory. This can lead to brain fog, making it difficult to focus and process information. Studies show that even mild dehydration can slow down reaction times and impair decision-making. Dehydration can also affect our mood, making us irritable and prone to headaches. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining optimal cognitive function. By consuming enough fluids, we support our brains in performing at their best. Our hearts are significantly affected by dehydration. When we don't consume enough fluids, our blood volume decreases, becoming thicker and more viscous. This forces the heart to work harder, putting extra strain on it. Dehydration can also lead to a drop in blood pressure, causing dizziness and fainting. It can disrupt the balance of electrolytes, leading to irregular heart rhythms. Maintaining proper hydration supports heart health and ensures optimal function. By consuming enough fluids, we reduce strain on the heart and support a healthy heart rhythm. A well-hydrated body is essential for a healthy digestive system. Without adequate water intake, our bodies struggle to perform basic digestive functions efficiently. Water plays a crucial role in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. It helps in the smooth passage of food through the intestines and ensures that nutrients are properly absorbed into the bloodstream. Dehydration can make the digestive system sluggish and inefficient. When the body lacks water, it prioritizes essential functions, often at the expense of digestion. It can lead to decreased saliva production, making it difficult to chew and swallow food. Saliva is vital for the initial stages of digestion, and without it, the process becomes strained. Water is essential for maintaining smooth muscle movement in the digestive tract. These muscles help move food along the digestive pathway, ensuring that it is processed efficiently. Dehydration can slow down peristalsis, leading to constipation and stomach discomfort. Peristalsis is the wave-like muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. Chronic dehydration can increase the risk of digestive disorders. Over time, this can lead to more serious health issues, including irritable bowel syndrome and other gastrointestinal problems. Stay hydrated to support your digestive health. Drinking enough water daily can help prevent these issues and keep your digestive system functioning smoothly. Chronic dehydration can have serious long-term consequences for your health. It's not just about feeling thirsty. It's about maintaining the balance your body needs to function properly. It can increase the risk of kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and kidney failure. These conditions can be painful and may require medical intervention, so it's crucial to stay hydrated. Dehydration can also contribute to the formation of gallstones and increase the risk of heat stroke. Heat stroke is a severe condition that can be life-threatening if not treated promptly. Staying hydrated is relatively simple. Listen to your body's thirst cues and drink water throughout the day. Set reminders if you tend to forget, and always carry a water bottle with you. Aim to drink water before, during and after exercise, especially in hot weather. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels and preventing heat-related illnesses. Fruits and vegetables like watermelon and cucumber are excellent sources of water and electrolytes. Including them in your diet can help you stay hydrated and provide essential nutrients. By staying hydrated, you support your body's systems and improve your overall health. Proper hydration aids digestion, keeps your skin healthy and helps regulate body temperature.